Hello everyone, welcome to Jasveeskitchen Kitchen. I am going to show you 3 different recipes of creamy, fruity and chocolatey popsicles. These are very delicious in taste but very easy to make. I believe in homemade food is always good because it is hygienic, healthy, fresh and nutritious. So let's get started. We will start with lychee fruit popsicle. It's very small, red colored, fleshy fruit. I have added 6 lychee fruits. These are washed, peeled and de-seeded in a grinder jar along with 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Grind them well and strain through a sieve. This fruit is very rich in vitamin C, copper, potassium and antioxidants, very good for heart health and also reduces inflammation. We have collected this nice fresh and sweet juice in a bowl and this is ready to freeze. I have these popsicle molds, very convenient and inexpensive. I have poured this juice in this mold and tightly close the lid and it's ready to freeze. Freeze it for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. And very delicious lychee popsicle is ready to eat. Now we will prepare another one. This is milky creamy popsicle. I have added 4 tablespoons of sweetened milk powder along with 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. This is ground sugar. We will mix them very well and then add milk. This is boiled and cold milk. Just mix a little milk and mix it properly and then pour in popsicle molds and that's it. It's very easy method to make very creamy and milky popsicle. I just close the lid tightly and freeze it overnight. The same mixture I am pouring in another popsicle mold, but I will make a new popsicle with the same mixture. Close the lid and freeze it. I will show you after they are frozen. And see, here it is. Very tasty, very delicious, very creamy, milky popsicle is ready to eat. Now I have melted dark chocolate compound in microwave, but you can also use double boiler method. I have poured melted chocolate in a glass. Let it come at room temperature and then dip your milky creamy pop. You can also dip partially or fully. And here it is. A choco bar is ready after pouring the chocolate compound over it. It's very nice in taste, very yummy. You can also use some sprinkles or roasted and crushed nuts on it. They will make it more nutritious. So please do try this recipe and give your feedback in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for tasty, healthy, nutritious, easy, quick, interesting and exotic recipes.